Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about really simple systems CRM, which is the tool that caters to business growth. We'll go through some pros and cons, we'll check the pricing, and also we'll do some steps and I'll show you how it's all working inside of the workspace. So what is really simple system? Really Simple Systems is a simple CRM software, which is ideal for growing teams working for B2B. One can build long-lasting relationship, make more sales, and save time with the software. This is a powerful small business CRM system, which helps users work smarter. It provides everything that the user needs to execute sales and marketing, all in one central place. In the case of sales, one can use this essential CRM tool to manage customers and prospects by keeping track of the transactions. Under marketing, everything that is required to manage the marketing campaigns and activities can be executed well with the help of the CRM tool. The software also assures to deliver great customer service by making sure all support requests are handled efficiently without missing out on any information. There are more than 3,000 businesses that choose to work on this software, as it helps one to build great relationships and caters to business growth efficiently. It's made for all types of businesses, being small, medium or large enterprises, even for the freelancers, providing very nice online support during the business hours. What is really nice about it as well is you can run it on your mobile phone as well, even if you have Android or iOS as well. When we check the pricing, you can go very well with a free trial or even freemium or subscription. If you want to keep it free, basically everything you need to get going with CRM, it's €0 free forever up to 2 users. Straight away you can try it now, as we did. Then we have a starter, which is a small team sales tracking and collaboration. It's €12 a month per user, billed annually. If you want to be billed monthly, it's 16. Then professional and enterprise. You can easily check all the features, that are included in this bundle. But keep that in mind, if you are an enterprise, there's already set the price. Other CRMs, if you are a really big company on the enterprise level, you will have to get a quotation for the amount they want you to pay for their services. But with really simple systems, it's simple. So yeah, you have everything unlimited for price of €41 per user per month, bill annually. And 15 if you want to be billed monthly. Easy as that. So let's jump in and click on free trial. Once you fill all these forms, you don't have to go with telephone. So if you don't want to be bothered by some calls or anything like that, you don't have to give them your telephone, just first name, last name, company name, email and password, and you are set. Once you receive activation email, you can jump in and start exploring. This is the thing that I strongly recommend for every single viewer that is considering this CRM. That being, as you can see, you have some introduction clips, but you really have to compare all the CRMs to pick the one that suits you the most or to find out. Then you can go through pricing plans. This one is really easy to read. It's simple system, so yeah, what are you expecting? On the top right corner, as you can see, you have all your settings. Manage subscription or agreements, system settings, user settings, data management, and also integrations. Once I was dealing with the CRM, it's very easy to integrate it, for example, with Zapier, where you can easily integrate it with other very nice CRM programs, even with emails and the stuff that, for example, is going to boost your really simple systems workspace on whole another level. As you can see, there's already a Zapier. With managing subscriptions, you can see how many users you have, company accounts. Those 8 are already pre-made by really simple systems, as you can see, so you can get rid of them quite easily. But you can, in your dashboard, obviously, let's start from the dashboard. Everything you need is located in the left bar. Then you have your tasks, which are overdue, priority, and also today. Then opportunity and forecast. As you can see, you can always micromanage it as you like. This is a very nice one. If you want to see how many users you can hire, just go and stack it up. But this is not working for me. Let's go like this. Then accounts. Now you have account name, full address, type, phone, website, and many more. Easily you can add a new account. Account name, let's go with Rocket Company. Address line, whatever, street 60, city. Slovakia, phone, web, prospect. And the next thing, you have to assign this contact or this account to one of the existing accounts. For example, it's this one, and we hit the save. Straight away, when you go back to the accounts, you can see Rocket Company, which is a prospect with a website and many more options for you to deal with. Then we have contacts, same as we did with accounts. In contacts we have the demo data. We just add more and go with the search for account, or if we have one. Or it's part of a Rocket Company. Salutation will be Mr. Alex Brown, and that's basically it. Every single other option that you need to fill in, it's marked with a little cross. Job title, department, manager, assistant, phone, home, mobile, other, email, many more options, and the notes. And then top right corner and save. And that's how you basically progress through everything. Then we have a tasks. Straight away, we can add more and create a new task very easily. In calendar, we see the upcoming events. All of those are already pre-made, just to show you how it's all done, how it all looks. And then reports. We have in sales activities, opportunities, quotation, campaigns, and then the lists. It will take quite some time for you to go through and get through all the options or that really simple systems provide for you, but it just takes time. And if you have employees, it's not that complicated that you need to create a training program for them so they can find it out. If you have more questions about really simple systems, please leave them underneath this video. I'll try to answer them as quickly as possible. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. We will do more videos about how to micromanage your account. Other than that, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day.